Rule number 1. Concord of intervening prepositional phrases. Look at this sentence. The student, as well as his father and mother, is in school. Why did we select is? Are you probably wondering? We had the student and we added father and mother. Why did we still bring is? This is where concord of intervening prepositional phrases is applied. When you have such a sentence, it is the first noun that is going to agree with your verb, but not any noun in the prepositional phrase. So you will ignore everything in the prepositional phrase, and then the first noun will agree with your verb. So the student is in school. This can be taken out, meaning it is just intervening the subject and then the verb. Therefore, if you have an intervening prepositional phrase, disregard it and then focus on the first noun. If the first noun is singular, then you will choose a singular verb. If it is plural, then you will go for a plural verb. Let's have more examples. The girl, in addition to her mother, comes here always. Why did we choose a singular verb? Because the girl is singular. This is a prepositional phrase. And what do we know about intervening prepositional phrases? We do not consider anything in the intervening phrase in selecting our subject. We will focus on the first noun and then select our subject. So the sentence reads, the girl comes here always. The girl, in addition to her mother, comes here always. Logically, if we say the girl in addition to her mother, aren't we talking about two people? Yes, but remember, this is grammar. In addition to her mother is a prepositional phrase, so we would not consider this particular phrase in choosing our verb. We will focus on the girl and then select the appropriate verb form. The girl is singular and therefore we should choose comes. We have my father, including all the 400 workers, works hard. The sentence is my father works hard. So you would ignore whatever is contained in the intervening prepositional phrase. In order to keep this particular rule in mind, look at the prepositions that start the intervening prepositional phrases. The next one, Tracy with her family prays in the morning. Can you explain why we chose praise and not pray? This is because Tracy is a singular noun. We will not consider any noun in the intervening prepositional phrase. It is this one that is going to agree with our verb. The next one, the girls, along with my friend, move together. So what have we said so far about intervening prepositional phrases? They can be omitted from the sentence. They shouldn't be considered when selecting the verb. Over here, we have the girls move together. The girls, plural. Therefore, we select move. Let us solve this question. Mr. Ben, in collaboration with the company, pay the workers or pays the workers. Congratulations. The answer is pays. Why? This is because we will not consider anything in the prepositional phrase. We will disregard everything that is contained in collaboration with the company. Ignore this one. So Mr. Ben is the noun that should agree with our verb. Therefore, Mr. Ben pays the workers. Now the last one, boys together with their friends is brave or are brave. The correct response is are. Why? This is because boys is plural, so boys are brave. We don't consider anything in the intervening prepositional phrase. In a nutshell, whenever you see phrases like as well as, in addition to, including, with, along with, in collaboration with, together with, they are intervening prepositional phrases and they shouldn't be considered when you are selecting a verb for the subject. It is the first noun that should agree with the verb and not the nouns in the intervening prepositional phrases. That is rule number 1. In our next video, we will look at the golden exception number 2.